good, y'all? Today I just came in the backyard. So right here we have a tomato and it's turning red. Now the reason why you want to cut it around this stage is because if you're not going to eat it right away, then it'll be for better storage and it'll last longer in your pantry. I have some redder ones over here. I wonder if you can see it right here. Here we go. Right. See that? Got one. Here we go. That's two. These are going to ripen by itself. And one thing too is that if you want them to ripen faster, put them by an apple or a banana, because what's going to happen is that they release a chemical that helps them ripen faster. So we got three. Put them right here for now. Oh, this one. There we go. That's 4, 5, and this is 6. Let's see, is there any more? Ooh, we can pick that one right there. This is 7. Oh, it just came up. It'll still ripen up. I mean, I might have picked it a little on accident. That's 7. Let's see. This one's good. Is there anything else? All right, everything else gonna ripen up because they're still green, and that's too early.
This video has been brought to you by AJ Supreme Lawn Service.